Hey everyone, my name is Coach Haley from CodeSpeak Labs, and today I'm going to show you how to sign into Bitsbox.com. Alright, so I have the Bitsbox website open. To sign into your account, the first thing you're going to look for is the Kids Sign In button at the top upper right hand corner. So right where my mouse is swirling around, we're going to click the Kids Sign In button. And it should take you to this page where it says Get Started. But don't click that button. We're going to click the button right underneath the yellow rectangle that says Sign In Here, and it should be in orange. And I'm going to enter my username and password. So this part is important, folks. You want to make sure that if there are capital letters in your username, that you capitalize them, and that there are no spaces within your username or your password. So go ahead and enter your login information. After you entered your password, you're going to click Go. And then it should take you directly to your Bitsbox account. So you'll see all of the apps that you have created. To create a brand new app from scratch, you're going to go down to the bottom of the iPad and click the plus button that says create a new app, and then you're going to go down and click invent your own app. And you'll see here that we have a brand new app project open. Alright, so I've done some code inside of my app. What if I want to return to my home screen and open up a different app? So how do I get back to the main iPad? So we can do this by going down and clicking the home button on our iPad. So give that a click. And then you're back at your main screen for your iPad. Well, what happens if I want to do one of the online tutorials and I don't want to create my own app from scratch? We can do this by going back to the plus button and then clicking Do an Online Activity. And here you'll see 4 different tutorials that will walk you through how to do these certain apps. And then we can just click the home button to return to our main screen. Alright, so how do I sign out of Bitsbox now? We're going to go to the upper right hand corner again. You're going to see a little hamburger menu. Give that a click, and then we'll simply click Sign Out. Alright, so what happens if I accidentally click a wrong button during login? Say, for example, I accidentally clicked Get Started. And all of a sudden it took me to this screen where it says, here for the first time, let's go. If you already have an account and you accidentally pressed Get Started, no worries. All you'll do is simply press the Kids Sign In button. And then it will take you back to the regular sign-in page. And then another way that you can sign in, if you don't want to use this little sign in here button, we can always direct ourselves back to the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner, and then you'll see the Kids Sign In or the Kids Sign Up button. But you'll want to press Kids Sign In if you already have an account. Alright, say you're at this page and then you accidentally do press Get Started, and then you also accidentally press Let's Go for the first time. And then you're here and it says this is your new tablet, hooray. So right now it may seem like we're logged into our account, but you're actually not. So if you see this is your new tablet, hooray, we're going to have to sign into our account. So to do this, we're going to have to go to the upper right hand corner once again. This time we're going to click Exit. And it says create a free kids account. We're just going to say no thanks. And then once we're back here, we can click Sign In here. And then you can just log in with your regular username and password.